Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Olivia Casta.
Let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next.
Olivia is an Instagram model and social media sensation, renowned for her incredible beauty and stunning body.
On a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough.
Olivia was born on August 15, 1997, in Spain. She's 26 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Leo.
Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good.
She's about 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighs around 54 kilograms.
Watch the way them hips sway. Love your body, so I pray. Don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say. Lost my mind 'cause you're
Her estimated body measurements are 34, 24, 34 inches.
the commotion beyond you like lotion. I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean. I feel you were chosen to fix me. I'm broken. My heart that you stolen. Ay, stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave. Chemistry feels like it's
Some of Olivia's fans believe she is an AI-generated model, while the majority consider her to be real.
You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me
So, what are your thoughts on Olivia? Isn't she absolutely beautiful?
on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me.
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.